Decorations are going up for Winter's Night, the free annual family festivity put on by the Edmond Fire Department. This event takes place at the Children's Safety Village and has a multitude of fun activities for kids and parents.
We have Santa on a fire truck. We have Santa's workshop. There's some carnival games. And this year, we're even going to have our new ambulance service, AMR. We're going to have the pedal cars open for children to ride. And then we have free hot cocoa and free candy canes.
The fire department has teamed up with several community partners to provide exciting booths for kids to visit. Food donations for Project 66 will be accepted at the featured AMR ambulance. Also, toy donations for Integris Children's Hospital will be accepted at the Safety Village's miniature City Hall building. Winter's Night happens on 2 dates, December 1st and December 8th, from 6 to 9 p.m. The Children's Safety Village is located at 5300 East Covell Road.
This is a great community event for everyone to come out and meet the firefighters and just enjoy general holiday festivities.